Okay, welcome back to the No Name channel, and I'm Bruce, and this is another Singaraja Snippets 15-minute city tours, and today we're going to be going over to Jalan Hasanuddin, and we're going to start over here, Jalan Rambutan, by my house. And where is my house? I've lost my house. All right, okay, so we're over here. And we're gonna go through the Kampung really quick, and then we're gonna come out here and hit Jalan Erlangga, run through Jalan Erlangga until we get over to Imam Bonjol and Jalan Erlangga, and we're gonna go down this way, and we're gonna go through the harbor, past the museum and the Chinese temple, and then onto Jalan Hasanuddin, and a couple of cool mosques here. There's a lot of warehouses here, and how many pet stores is it? 1, 2, 3 pet stores. It may be the same pet store. The pet store's been there for a long time, but I haven't been on this street. Well, I'll tell you why when we get there. I haven't been on this street in a long time. So we're gonna go through here. Really, really beautiful mosque there. This shows it under construction. It's finished now. And then we get down, and Jalan Hasanuddin takes a turn here. Now, for some reason, they've got the school over here, SD number 1. And it's actually over here. Once you make this turn, so there's a turn here, and then there's a gang that goes here, and there's another gang that goes off that way. And so we're going to go down here, and we go to Jaya Raya building supply store. A lot of bathroom stuff here, paint as well, some solar panels. I've done a lot of shopping here over the years, and we're going to end up at Eddie Arta Motors. And did we get a little photo here? There's no photo. Okay. And Zoe was interested. She got there and said, "Look, my daddy's motorbike's there," because my son-in-law, one of my son-in-laws, selling electric motorcycles, motorbikes, and one of them is there. Well, a couple of them were there. And so then we kind of take a turn here on Jalan Imam Bonjol, and we've already done Imam Bonjol before. And we're going to stop here because we go down Imam Bonjol a little bit, and then we swing over into the market. And I want to do the market. The market is cool. We used to go to the market almost every day when Zoe was little. We stopped. We haven't been there in a long time. It's much different now than it used to be. And so we've got video, we've got footage of the market, and we're maybe make a trip there tomorrow to get some more, and then the market will be another video in the Singaraja Snippets. And so that's about it. I hope you like this. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and it's prayer time. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to run quickly through Kampung Bugis, and there's Jalan Erlangga. And we're over by the harbor, and I just wanted to take a look at this mural. It's so cool. I don't know where these are coming from. But Zoe and Masha the bear liked it, and me too. I would love to see who does these. And so in we go into the harbor through the gate. Now you notice the gate is still down. They're keeping people out on their motorbikes from that way. And here's the museum. I don't know if I've done a video of the museum and the Chinese temple, and you see the big sign there talking about coronavirus. And then we're out and on our way to Jalan Hasanuddin, and the Buleleng River is pretty dry. And so we've made a quick little trip from the house up to Jalan, where Jalan Erlangga and Jalan Sarpati starts. And getting across Jalan Erlangga is a problem. This is a major thoroughfare. You see, we had to wait quite a while and make a quick move across the street. And so this is Jalan Hasanuddin. And, well, I'll talk about who Hasanuddin was in a minute. So we start up here, and we have some apotheques, pharmacies, and my dentist office used to be here as well. He's moved to a different part of town, and I moved on to a different dentist. And the sidewalk is narrow, and there's a lot of traffic, and you'll see one of the reasons why we don't come on this route much anymore. This is a gold shop right there, and then across the street over there you have apotheke, and so they changed this a lot from the old days. It used to be open, now it's closed. I haven't been in there for a while, but it's a gold shop. And so let's walk along, and a lot of what you see here are warehouses, little warehouses, and the old shops called Ruco, with the business on the first floor, and on the second floor you have living quarters. You can see on the left here the balcony. You'll see a number of balconies here. Those are living quarters. And all these buildings that are kind of shuttered, they're all warehouses, not huge warehouses, but they're storing goods. You can see the pickups here, bringing things from other parts of the island and moving them up for sale. And you see the big truck up there, and we'll get there in a minute. These guys are hanging out waiting to unload some stuff. And there is a water bottle. What's that for? Washing your hands. This is a big thing here up in the north, unlike other areas. Big thing about washing your hands, keeping your mask on. And so look at this truck, it's so overloaded. Now these things are just monsters, and they go down these really narrow streets. Here is a little warung. Get some nasi here. Never eaten in there. And then we're coming up on, this is a pet store, and I'm not sure if this is part of the original pet store on the other side of the street that we're going to see in a minute. But there's now basically three pet stores, but I think they're all one. They just expanded. And so you see over here, right across the street there, it's all aquarium stuff. Aquariums have fish. So we haven't had an aquarium in a while. I've been thinking about, maybe we should get an aquarium. So if you want to get an aquarium, fish, there you are. And there's a living quarter up top. And we have to watch these little gongs here. A gong is just a little side street, but motorbikes and cars zoom out without looking where they're going. And so you've got to be really careful here, because you see, people put their stuff out on the sidewalk, and so a lot of times you have to walk into the street. And with the traffic, and the traffic moves quickly here, it can be dangerous. I spend a lot of time on this walk telling the girls, be careful, get up on the sidewalk. And quickly, who is Hasanuddin? Hasanuddin was the 16th ruler of the Sultanate of Goa from 1653 to 1669. He was declared a national hero in November 1973. And during his reign as Sultan, he battled the Dutch over the spice trade, and you can take a look at one of my videos, my anthropology videos on the spice trade. And he fought the Dutch and instituted what's called the Makassar War, which was supposedly the greatest battle that the Dutch, the VOC, ever fought. VOC, Dutch East Indies Company. And, well, they lost eventually in 1669. The Dutch won. He resigned as the Sultan and died a year later. So this is Jalan Hasanuddin. This is the Lura's office, local government. This is Kampung Kajanan. And my wife was born here and then moved to Kampung Bugis when she was a little girl. And so she's been there for, 50 plus years. And you see building supplies there on the side, sacks of cement, sand, a lot of building going on. We're coming up on, this is a big store, sells a lot of plastics, plastic chairs, plastic storage bins, plastic tables, anything plastic you can get here. And there's also other things here as well, but this is a Nika plastic shop. You can see all the stuff they've got in there. And I've shopped here a couple of times to buy some plastic things, and they also have fixtures for gas stoves and a bunch of other stuff. And you see people unloading stuff on the left side of the street there, and it is busy, busy, busy. This is another one of these funky old streets, just like Jalan Imam Bonjol. One of my nephews who works over here now, Zoey, really likes him, so he came out to say hello. I didn't know he was working over here. I haven't seen him in a little while, since the wedding. And so you see all the stuff here. On the street, people just move their business and move their personal stuff out. Well, because they don't have a lot of room inside. And, you know, part of the thing with living in the tropics is that everything tends to get outside. Makes a lot of sense. It's one of the reasons I like being here. And here's the doctor's office, Dr. public doctor. And over on the left, we just passed a mosque, and as we get up a little farther, I'm going to turn around and look at it. It's a beautiful mosque, especially at nighttime. And excuse me. And so a lot of these stores are shuttered. This one is for sale or rent. Now here, I had a discussion with this lady. She almost ran over Zoey and Masha the bear. I said, "Watch where you're going, lady. Honk your horn. You almost ran over these two girls." And she just looked at me like I was from another planet. Here's some construction work going on. You see all of this stuff. So as you have construction work, people just put the bricks, they put the dirt, they put the sand, they put the cement. Everything just kind of goes out into the street. It's just part of life here. And we're coming up on some BMOs. So BMOs are still, and I've talked about this before, talking about Singaraja, BMOs are still widely used here. Now this BMO goes from Banyuasri up to Panarukan. Panarukan is a village a little to the east of us, and there's a big BMO. I call it a BMO. We used to take that. That goes from long distance. More people, and we used to take them in the old days, going from Singaraja to Denpasar and back. Terrible trip. I'm so glad I don't have to do that again. And one of the things I noticed, and we haven't been on this street walking, I drive this way regularly, but I don't really pay much attention to things when I'm doing it. A lot of graffiti on the walls. And here's the mosque I was telling you about. Very beautiful. Just been renovated in the last year. And there's the graffiti. And so we're gonna skip the girls really quick here. I'm trying to keep under 15 minutes. And what do we see coming up here? Kerupuk, right? Crackers. And they're out to dry. And so this is part of the, this life here. You got this dirty street, lots of fumes, lots of pollution. But people put their kerupuks out on the sidewalk to dry in the sun. And, the kids don't think anything about it. I always think, I would not want to eat those. But people do. So we're coming up to where Jalan Hasanuddin. It takes a little curve up here, and then it's going to connect to Imam Bonjol. And so on the map I said that the school was wrong, so the school would have been just a little behind us here and over to the other side, but in actuality the school is directly in front of us. We're going to pass it in a minute. And this is a metalworks shop. It's been here for a long time. Guys here for every time I pass, just ignore me. I've never had a guy say hello to me from here. They do a lot of metalwork, and up right in front of us you see an old car. There's always an old car here, not this same one, but always old cars. I think they do repairs on the cars. You see Masha the bear was looking in the dirty window to see if there was something in there. And so directly across the street from us is the school. This is an elementary school. This is Banjar Bali SD Satu. And this is a Friday. So on a normal Friday, you would have kids here all over. And what do we got? Nothing, right? Schools are still closed. Still closed, unfortunately. And so we're coming up to the end of Jalan Hasanuddin here. And there's a, well, on one side of the street, there's the store that I was talking about, the appliances. And Zoe here is looking at, this is motorcycle shop. Zoe's looking at this. My son-in-law, her father, sells these. These are electric motorcycles, motorbikes. And there's another one. She was very happy. Oh, it's Daddy's motorbikes. And so this is a place that sells motorbikes and it's a repair shop as well. And then on the right as we get up to the corner on the left, and we're not going to see it in this video, you can buy bathroom fixtures, tubs, showers, air conditioners, tile, all sorts of building supply things. Okay, this says Masuk, enter, and this is the motorcycle repair shop right here. Pretty nice one. And above it is Warung Bule. So I've never been here. You know, I've heard about this. I saw a couple of videos. I want to try it sometime whenever my children are here, and we have some time just to go out and see what it looks like. And so we're here. So he called this guy, what did you call him, a monster? We're here and we're going to end up and we're going to pick up the next video at the market. And so thanks